Welcome to Da Nang. Look at this beautiful sun. I can't believe it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's Christmas Day. And we're gonna walk. Actually, Christmas Eve, I think you say it in English. It's the 24th. So Merry Christmas. In Germany, it starts today in the evening. I think in America, this is a 25th thing. But we're gonna check out the beach today. And there are rumors. I'm not sure what exactly they're doing now here, but there are rumors there might be a pickleball court here coming soon. I have no idea if that's true. Let me know in the comments if you heard that too. That would be great for Marcus. My God. It would be the best location to have a pickleball court, I think. I think then it would be spreading everywhere here. Pickleball party. Let's walk this street and to the beach. Check out also what's new here around the Tayo and how far they are with the Tayan Hotel remodeling job, what they have doing there. It's fascinating. Sometimes I'm seeing moving companies who are transporting like very heavy things like big refrigerators and things like that. And then the people who are working there, they're having a cigarette in the mouth and flip-flops on. And then they having to jump from the truck down with cigarettes, flip-flops and a refrigerator, and everything goes well. That's a skill though. Check this out. It's gonna be, I don't know what it's gonna be. Hopefully it's gonna be a coffee shop maybe here. And this looks like a bar. Huh. But what's going on here in the Tayan Hotel? This is the Tayo Hotel, very modern, and they belong together. This is Tayan. It is closed right now, but it was very popular amongst a lot of people. But yeah, they already put in the new windows. Okay, so they have windows again. Hopefully there are strong windows, good windows. And you see this, for all guys who always walk through that, there's a fence now. Oh God, a fence. Wow. Now you cannot walk through that anymore. But check this out, guys. It's gonna be a huge place. And it's probably gonna be done in 6 months, at least. If not even earlier. So pretty fast. It's a steel frame and then now they're building some walls. Lots of apartment buildings here on the left. Yeah, this is very interesting. I'm wondering how this will look at the end. Probably very stylish. I'm very glad it's not a big construction. Like if they would have a huge building popping out there, it would take way longer. But like this, I think they're gonna be done very quick. So we are currently in the Antung 34th Street. It's like oh look at this, this is also very bad here. It just tossed in the trash over there. It's insane. Look at this trashy lot, but you know, this lot is probably $1-2 million worth. And then they just put trash on it. And no one cares because nothing's gonna get built yet there. And this is also gonna be interesting. They built this building and then now you can rent it out maybe. I think that's also a good business. You just build a restaurant and then have it taken over from someone. But yeah, this will be fun. This place will be fun, guys. But I think with this blue sky, the beach will be fun now too soon. That's where we're gonna go right now. But before we go there, don't forget to like this video. Go up on the TV and press like. And subscribe if you have not yet. There you get a water delivery. Natural alkaline mineral water. Fancy. I also drink these kind of Japanese water things at the moment always. But yeah. Cecilia, no more construction. There was a little bit something going on, but I think it's done. I'm wondering what this will be. It will be it looks like something big. It's not just gonna be 1 or 2 story building. I think it's gonna be something bigger. Very dusty over there. Look at this, oh my God. Pavement report. I mean, at least there is something, so you cannot trip down. But also, I don't know why this is there. You can close this. Be careful, guys, be careful. Always keep an eye on your step. There you see all the grabs. All this is all grabs cars. Check this out. All yellow plates. Hey! Harald! How you doing?
Gefunden.
Gefunden, okay, perfekt.
Von 200.000 runtergegangen.
Okay.
War unverschämt.
Ja, so kann's gehen, ne? Also mach's gut, ja? So Harald just bought a belt here. Can you imagine? You can just buy a belt here. So whatever you need, this is convenience here. And this banh mi is very good. They're building it up now. And as you see, yesterday we did a walk and the lights were on, but now the lights are off. So you still have to look out and just walk. Big X-Max. I really like this X-Max cars, not cars, motorbikes. Check this out, what's going on over there? It's looking like they're getting serious with the construction in between Rosamia and Haiyan Hotel. All right, guys, we gotta go. The ocean is very rough. It might be good for surfing though. It's very rough. But still, people are in there. I mean, they all have surfboards here. Check this out, guys. It's beautiful at the moment. It's fantastic. But I can see people in the water. It just feels like summer again. And we have the 24th of December. We got Christmas. We got some clouds over here. Also had a call yesterday, very interesting. And apparently the weather forecast is always bad. But now, as you can see, it's sunny. The lifeguard is complaining because people are going too far in there. It might be very dangerous, but I can see beautiful waves all the way in the back. So if you want to surf and get a perfect wave, you gotta go far out there. It might be a little bit challenging to go out there, but yeah, it's good. I think you get rewarded with a beautiful break all the way in the back. I can see some surfers out there just have to make a good, nice route, not through the whitewash it's called, right? Does it mean like that? I don't know. I'm not a surfer, guys. I know a lot of surfers watch my channel, so let me know in the comments. the white thing when it's breaking is white wash or wash out, or yeah. You will tell me. You will tell me, guys. But yeah, it looks beautiful. I could imagine the water is a little bit more fresh, unlike the summer. But yeah, it's great. Actually, all the clouds look very pretty. It's always nicer to have clouds around. But also you have blue sky here. But so I'm not sure how long it will be good, or if it's gonna be just yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god. I should start walk without shoes here. But as you can see, there are probably 30 people surfing here, at least. No, you know what? It's actually more. I can see far out there, 10, 20 more. It's so many, it's crazy. I think this is the perfect time right now. And some guys catching very nice waves out there. And look at this. It's gonna be back on track here, guys. Wow. Huh. It's gonna be a stage. Maybe they're gonna have live performances here today. But yeah, look at this. It's fantastic. It's a little bit hot now. I gotta go in the shade, guys. Be careful. Don't be in the sun too long. Hello. Look at this Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty PCX. Oh my god. Beautiful. This is revenge beaching at the moment. When it was rainy the whole time and now it's sunny, people go out. So you can see a lot of people around the beach. Obviously at the moment only foreigners. But if you would come here in the morning, you will see, in the evening, you will see lots of locals. They usually don't lay inside the sun like that. Look at this cute little food. I love those poodles. Especially with when they cut the form of the fur like a big booty. It's so fun. Some of them they shave the whole body and then they have only the booty like popped out like that. There's some content creation going on there. And the man is risking his life here. The man risking his life, walking with his missus and looking at the lady there filming. Yeah, look at this, beautiful, fantastic. I see so many surfers out there. Here again, here, over there. Yeah, it's good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.